What is up, RC enthusiasts? Today I got for you guys this Xinlehong Q901, I believe this one is. It's a brushless version. I know there's brushed versions of these ones, but I believe this one is the 901. Yeah, so let's check this thing out. This thing's got full ball bearings. It's running a 2-in-1 ESC receiver combo, but it is brushless. And look at that motor. That's a pretty decent sized brushless motor. You have a 2S Lipo right there. You have a 3-wire steering servo, so that's hobby grade right there for you guys. And steering servos get a steering saver, or servo saver. It doesn't have oil-filled shocks. It does have lights up front right here. It is 4-wheel drive. The drive shafts are metal, so that's good. Should be a pretty durable rig. All the plastics are pretty flexy. The shock shafts are pretty thick for what they are. I mean, they are not oil-filled, but there's some pluses to that too, because if this is just going to stay in your trunk all the time as your basher rig, one day your shocks are going to leak oil if they are oil-filled, and you're not going to want that staining your trunk. So there are some pluses to having little basher rigs like this that are not fully, hobby grade, they say, I guess. No oil-filled shocks, but let's see how this one performs. The tires, they're pretty hard. One plus, they probably would last a lot longer than softer tires, but if you're more performance orientated, then these probably won't perform that well because they're pretty hard. But we'll see right now in the dirt how it does on the dirt. Bottom of this is pretty high clearance chassis, so it should go over a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's not get into this too long. The 2S Lipo 1000 mAh included right there. Transmitter right here uses 3 AA's. You have a low and high speed mode, steering dual rate, and steering trim and reverse. There's the power switch right here, and that's pretty much all the options to that. The body is clear up front, which is pretty cool. I actually like that. Clear body, spirit, all the 4-wheel drive racing. But there's your charger that comes with it. A little metal key right here for your wheel hexes, and a spare body clip, 2 of them it looks like, and your instruction manual. Well, alright guys, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and stick my speed meter right here on the body, and let's do a speed run and see what this does, and afterwards we'll go straight to the running video. Just check out this cool startup tone it has right here. 2S stock Lipo 1000 mAh. $22 miles an hour. Wow, that's decent speed right there. Alright guys, 2S Lipo run. Let's get this going. Go see how far it goes. Oh, that's as far as it goes right there. I lost control. I'm putting the transmitter in the air right now. Trying to get it back. Ah! All right, you guys saw that? You guys interested in this thing? I am. This thing was pretty cool. That run was awesome. Some of the stuff that I didn't get on film, oh man, I was so disappointed I didn't get on film. This thing tackled some pretty crazy stuff. No damages, no problem. Didn't even sound like it changed anything. Tires, yes, they are really hard, so they slide around really easily, but once you figure out how to drive it, you can drive it fine. Shocks are bouncy, but what do you expect? You could change them to oil if you want to. I'm pretty sure you could find ones that fit in this one. This one is a popular truck, and now I know why. It's a blast to run. 22 miles an hour stock, that's nothing to laugh about. That's a fast little 16 scale truck, no joke. And the fact that it handled everything I threw at it, you can't ask for more. Body did come over the bumper, but yeah, see the lights right there, pretty cool. Well, alright guys, if you guys like that one, go ahead and check the link in the description for more on this thing right here. But as for me, that's another okay right there for me. That's a sweet little ride right there. So if you guys are looking into this one, I approve this one, just like all the rest so far. Yeah, that's a good one right there, guys. Check it out. And as always, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got some information out of this, and I hope it showed you a little bit more about this cool little guy. Kind of looks like a, don't want to mention what that looks like up front, but I'm pretty sure car people know what that looks like up front. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching as always. I enjoy doing this for you guys, and stay tuned for more. And as always, go out there, have some fun, and run that RC.